Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this stunning condition 2012 12 registered Volvo XC70. This is the SE 2 litre D4 engine, 2.4 D4, all-wheel drive, 6-speed automatic. Current recorded mileage is 109,712. Really is in fantastic condition for age and mileage. 3 former keeper car from new, finished in a lovely shade of metallic black with the contrasting black plastic trims. Excellent service history. We have 7 services in total. Most recent service was carried out in October 2020 at 101,000 miles. Service schedule is every year or every 18,000 miles, whichever comes first. MOT expires on the 28th of June 2022, and there were no advisories. Very good set of tyres. We have Pirellis on the front with 4.4 and 4.5 millimeters, and we have Nexon on the rear, 5.1 millimeters. Service history also does include the all-important cam belt change along with the auxiliary belt, which was in October 2020 at the last service. Transmission fluid has also been replaced in June 21. And part of the MOT, the rear pads also needed to be replaced, which have just been carried out as well. So fantastic engine, 2.4 diesel, 161 brake horsepower, returns a very impressive 41 mpg. Band I for road tax, 12 months is £275. Inside we have a beautiful ivory grey leather upholstery, very clean. Set of fitted mats, both front and rear. Into the front. Car comes with front and rear electric windows along with the power fold electric mirrors. So automatic lights, auto wipers. Also you do get an electric power tailgate. Multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. Over to the main media system. Car's got AM/FM radio along with the CD player. Also you can play music via Bluetooth, via the Bluetooth music streaming, also with naturally Bluetooth for telephone, as well as being able to connect via USB or auxiliary in. Ventilation system, so the car comes with heated front seats. Also it does come with a safety feature called blind spot elimination, or bliss as it's known, which will detect any cars in your blind spot on the dual carriageways and motorways. This excellent condition 3 former keeper Volvo XC70 is declared as motor check clear for provenance. The car will be supplied with 2 remote central locking keys. We do have the full book pack, which includes handbook and the stamped service booklet. Car does also come with a space saver spare wheel. All the tyres, tools are present along with the locking wheel nut. Also we do have the boot load cover, as you can see. For further information, I'd urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with a walk around video, see all of our warranty information, user interactive finance calculator, as well as reading the independent consumer reviews. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us, Berkshire Used Cars.